In this video, I show you how to make $320 for every 10 songs you listen, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How it should be done? We'll find out soon. This is how to get paid to listen to music online. Also, only a small number of people who watch my videos actually subscribe to my channel. So if you find this video useful, you might want to subscribe with notifications turned on. It's free and you can always change your mind later. So whenever I find a new way to make money online, I'll let you know so you can be one of the first people to use it. So make the most money, of course. Now, let's get started. Think for a second about how cool it would be to get paid just for listening to music on your phone or computer. Well, it doesn't really matter what you're using right now, because you'll still get paid to listen to music. Everyone can use this brand new method. You can do this from any place in the world, whether you're in India, the United States, the Philippines, Nigeria, Pakistan, South Africa, the United Kingdom, Bangladesh, or anywhere else. So now I want you to leave a comment below and tell me where in the world you are watching this video. So when I make videos in the future, I can make them for your area. So today I'll give you a step-by-step guide on how to make money and get paid by just listening to music, like this one and all of these songs right here. Just think about how much money you'll make from all of these songs. All of the rates from this amount to this amount are listed right here. As I keep going down the page, I see that people from all over the world are making money with this brand new method. So let's figure out how much you can make with this method. You can make $320 if you listen to 10 songs. You can make $640 if you listen to 20 songs, which is twice as many as the last one. You get $1,600 when you listen to 50 songs. The best part is that you can do this on your phone, computer, or both, and it's completely free, so you don't have to spend any money on it. This brand new method is just what beginners need. Watch this video all the way through, because I'll give you some special bonus tips that will help you earn twice as much as other people. So keep an eye out for those extra tips, because they will help you a lot. Now that we've said all that, let's get right into this new way. The first thing you need to do is go to this website, which is Mixed.co. On this site, you can find stock music that you can download for free and use to make money by just listening to it. As you can see, there are 100 pages of free songs that you can download to your computer or phone. Now, I'll give you the first bonus tip, and I want you to listen carefully. When you go to Mixed.co, go to their homepage and click genre. This will bring up a list of copyright-free song categories that you can download and start listening to. I want you to focus on hip-hop and acoustic music for this video, because these are the two most popular types of music right now. After deciding the genre, let's move on to the next step. I want you to keep watching, because this next step is also important if you want to make as much money as possible with this new method. So for the second step, go to this website, which is uploadforever.com. Let me tell you more about what this website does if you don't know much about it. So basically, you can upload files right to this website, and when someone downloads them, they will pay you directly through the method you choose. That's so cool. You can make a lot of money online by using this brand new method. So in this new way to make money, you need to go back to Mixed.co, look for a song and download it for free. Then you need to go to uploadforever.com and upload that song right there. Whenever someone downloads that song on this website, you will be able to earn some amount of money, which will actually depend on how much you want it to be. And I will show you in a bit how to set that up, so stay tuned and keep watching. As you can see, you can keep all the money you make for yourself. The best thing about them is that they pay in different ways. They accept payments through PayPal, Payeer, Payoneer, and Perfect Money. If you like cryptocurrencies, you can also get paid with any cryptocurrency you want. So I want you to leave a comment below and tell me what method of payment you prefer. I'll also try to make videos about it. A quick tip: if you have an Android phone right now, go to Google Play Store and look for the app Up4Ever. Then you can get the app for free on your phone by downloading it. Now, I'll show you how to sign up for everything. I want you to pay close attention, because if you miss a step, this could get tricky. So when you go to uploadforever.com, click on the button that says sign up right here. Then you'll be brought to this page where you can sign up for free. So what you need to do right now is fill in your username, password, and email address. Then choose the payment method you prefer. Personally, I prefer PayPal, so I'll put my PayPal email address right here. Then check the box that says I'm not a robot and click sign up right there. That's very simple, right? If you didn't get it the first time, you can just watch this video again. You can now log into your new upforever.com account after you've signed up. Here's where you can see what's going on with you. You are welcome to look around the dashboard. Next, I want you to click on this button right here that says Upload Files, and that will bring you to this page where you can start uploading the songs you downloaded from Mixed.co. You can start getting paid after that. Now, this is another important part of the process. You have to make sure you don't upload any files that break their terms of service. Make sure you don't break any of their rules if you want to make money on this website. If you can't seem to upload anything on this website, you can check to see if you have your ad block turned off. Now, I'll show you step by step how to upload the music you downloaded from Mixed.co to this website. So all you'd have to do is go to Mixed.co and look for a good song under the hip-hop or acoustic genres. You can scroll through all of these song collections, which you can also download for free. If you want to hear a sample of the song you want to download, you can click here. So this is the name of the song and the name of the person who made it. If you like this song, just click the button that says download. You can download it right to your computer, laptop, or even your cell phone, as you can see. The best thing about this site is that you don't have to make an account to download. Isn't that so cool? So quickly, if you guys like this video, which took me a lot of time and effort to make, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button and made sure to subscribe with notifications turned on. And if this video gets 2,000 likes, I'll make a new video next week to show you how to make even more money online by doing simple things like this from home. Let's go back to watching the video. You need to go back to up4ever.com after you downloaded the song. Click the button that says Upload Files right here on your dashboard. That will take you to this page where you can now upload the song. The next step is to pick the file you want to send. In my case, I'll put the song here that I downloaded earlier. You can see that they will tell you how big the file is. As a bonus tip, it's very important to make sure that your file is set to public so people can download your files and you can make money from that. Make sure to write down the name of the song and the name of the artist in the description. To do this, go back to the first website, copy the title and the artist, and then just paste it here. When you're ready to upload the file, just click this Start Upload button and wait for the song to be uploaded to this website. Once your file has been uploaded, go back to the homepage and click the link that says My Files. Here you can see the files you've already uploaded. Here you can see the name of the file and also how big it is. On this page, you can also see how many times your file has been downloaded. Since we just uploaded the song, it's still at 0 right now. You can also set the price of the song on this page, depending on how much money you want to make. To do this, just click on this green icon, and you'll be taken to this page where you can set the price. So type in the price you want. I'll just type this price because I think it's enough for me. After you've done that, scroll down and click on this button that says Submit. That's all you need to do to make money off of this website. Make sure that your file is always available to the public so that other people can download it. And then don't forget to set a price so that every download pays you. You can just keep doing the same thing over and over again to make more money. So that's all. If you want to make even more money, watch this video right now to learn how to earn $15 for every video you watch, which is one of the best ways to make money online. Well, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, welcome and subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell for more content like this. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the following video.